Today we will talk about Yuki-san no Kazoku. Kazoku is family. Here is the conversation between two friends, Tanaka and Yuki. Tanaka-san to Yuki-san no aida de kono kaiwa ga okonawaremasu. So here is the conversation between two friends, Tanaka and Yuki-san. San is used before name for both male and female, just like Mr. or Miss. Tanaka is asking to Yuki, Yuki-san no kazoku wa nannin desu ka? How many people are there in your family, Yuki? Yuki is answering, yonnin desu. Chichi to, haha to, ane to, watashi desu. There are 4 people in my family, my father, my mother, my older sister and me. Tanaka is asking, one-san wa o ikutsu desu ka? So how much old is your older sister? Tanaka is asking. Yuki is answering, ane wa 25 歳です. Kaishain desu, totemo shinsetsu desu. Here she is answering ane. Ane word is used for talking about one's own older sister, and when we will talk about others older sister, one-san is used, and while talking about others father and mother, oto-san and oba-san is used, and while talking about one's own father and mother, chichi and haha words are used. So Yuki is answering here, my older sister is 25 years old. She is office worker and she is very kind. Then Tanaka is asking about Oto-san wa, what about your father? Yuki is answering, Chichi wa 50 歳です. Koko no sensei desu. Chichi wa mai asa Rokuji ni okimasu. My father is 50 years old. He is a high school teacher and he wakes up 6 o'clock every morning. Then Tanaka is replying, hayai desu ne. Oh, it's very early. Then what about your mother? Oba-san wa? Yuki is answering, haha wa 48 歳です. Haha wa ie de hono yomimasu. Ryori mo jozu desu. My mother is 48 years old and she reads book at home and she is very good at cooking. Then Tanaka is asking about weekend plans. Shumatsu. Shumatsu wa kazoku de nani o shimasu ka? What do you do on weekends with your family? Then Yuki is answering, Shumatsu wa kazoku de koen ni ikimasu. On weekends we used to go to park for fun. Here the conversation ends.